Hey, I just got this scooter here. I want to show you some of the special features of it. This scooter would be great for kids, teens, even adults. The cool part about it, one of the key features is that this is adjustable here. Just unlike that, I can lower it all the way down to here. If you have a little child, a younger child, and he has 1, 2, 3, 4 different settings. Very easy to adjust. Just push that button in up. And you can see for me here, this would work great with someone my height. I'm 5'10". This works great. Let me show you some of the other cool features of it. Again, to adjust the height of the handlebars, you just open this up, press this little button in here. You see it drops down to the next level, like so. Then when you want, you just lock it back into place like that. It has this nice deck with the name right here. Very cool design, really like that. Has this nice little kickstand that lets it stand up with the rubber tip there. Spring loaded, so it works very well. The wheels here are very nice. They spin excellent. In the back wheel here, this little guard also acts as a brake, simply by just pressing your foot down on top of it. Another nice thing I like about it is this actually folds down. Makes it easy for storage. Has a little lever here on the side. Pull that, comes back. I'm going to turn this around. There's a rubber stopper here. And it locks into place, so it's easy to pick up and to transport. The handles actually come out. You can lock them into place down here like this. And makes it very easy. You could put it in your car, you could store it in your garage, store it in your house. The handles have this nice, soft foam-like grip on it with rubber ends. That way, if it falls down to the ground, it's going to protect the ends of that foam. Let's show you how it rides. Can easily fit my whole foot on there. Very smooth ride. Brake works really well. And if your kids, teens, like doing tricks with this, it can work very well. So if you're looking at getting a new scooter for your kids, this one here from LEEV, it's really cool. I like it. My daughter saw it. She couldn't wait to get on this and start checking it out and riding it. She loved it. She said it looked so pretty. I really like it a lot.